Well, in today's tutorial, what we're going to do is we are going to write a script in Photoshop for a batch resizing of your images. We've been talking about resizing a lot lately, and it's very, very important in Photoshop. So let me go ahead and start my 5-minute timer to go ahead and get that kicked off there. Try to keep it under 5 minutes here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you an example real quick. Okay, so I have a client of mine. Her products for her store are actually 158 by 158. Now what I've went ahead and did is I already restructured my folders here. A lot of times, in reference to web development and your Photoshop graphic design work, half the work is file structuring. So I have the small, and then I also have the largest, the sizes here. The one size here of the images, I already noticed that these images right here are 2101 by 1400. And these images right here are 1400 by 1400. So we're dealing with two different sizes, and this only works if you have all your images one size in that actual folder. So let's go ahead and go back over here to Photoshop, and we have a 158 by 158 is one of the sizes. Now what we could do is we can come over here and we can create this right here, and I'm going to show you the long way really quickly. I'm just going to open up one of these images right here, and you see how big that image is. That's 50% of it because we can see it right there. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to select this, and we take this over and we drag it. We hold the shift key, drop it in there, right click, and we're going to convert to a smart object. Command T, Command 0, and we would grab this corner, hold Option and Shift, and scale it proportionally. And the funny thing is, in order to get that shoe inside of there, we do have to break the bounding box. So you're going to see all that dead space around there, which is not going to be good. So we definitely don't want to do that. So how do we resize all these images to have the perfect size and fit inside the box perfectly? So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to Photoshop. We're going to go to File. We're going to select Scripts, and we're going to go to Image Processor. So within the Image Processor here, what we're going to do is we're going to select the folder. Okay, so we got a folder here, and it says open the image to apply setting. And the folder that we are going to be selecting from is going to be the 1400 by 1400. Okay, so we have that folder selected. Then over here it says select the location to save the processed images, and we're going to save it to the 310s by 310s. So we're going to go ahead and do the 310s by 310s first. That's her large size, and her small size is 158 by 158. Right here we're going to say resize to fit, save it as a JPEG, quality 10, and we have 310 by 310 right here. And you can also add copyright information if you decide you want to, but that's all we're going to do here. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit run, and you're going to see the images that's inside that folder, the 1400 by 1400, they're going to open up and they're going to resize themselves, and we just got 6 images inside the 310 by 310. So when we open these up here, you see that they look perfect. So let's go ahead and open up one of these shoes right here. You notice that it's resized inside that box perfectly. So if you ever need to resize a bunch of photos at one time, this is definitely going to be the process that you want to go with. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do it one more time so you'll definitely know exactly how to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to File, Script, Image Processor. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go and get everything that's in the 1400 by 1400, and that's the reason why I name my folders 1400 by 1400, the 310 by 310. So I have a little shortcut right here to remind me to know I'm selecting the right folder. So this folder right here, we're going to pull everything from the 1400 by 1400 folder, and we're going to drop it over here in the 158 by we're going to actually drop it. We're going to get everything from the, I'm getting a little confused here. We're going to get everything from the, we already did that folder. We're going to get everything from here, the 2101 by 1400, and we're going to save it to that 310 by 310, since we already have that set up right there. And let's go ahead and run that. We got 46 seconds left here, and I'm going to go over and I'm going to relocate one more for you. This might be one of the first videos we have to go over 5 minutes, but it's okay. You guys can stick around. So here's all the images right here, and everything looks good inside there. Saved us a lot of time.